Good morning, children. Today we shall learn the lesson Festivals and National Days. Tell me, which is your favorite festival? Which is your favorite festival? Of course, it is Diwali. Next is Holi. Correct. Diwali. Diwali. Why Diwali is favorite for you? Yes, you burn crackers and enjoy. Everybody enjoys burning crackers. Then Holi. Yes, you sprinkle colors on each other and enjoy. Sprinkle colors on each other and enjoy. Festivals are the time for celebrations, isn't it, children? Yes, festivals means you take oil bath, wear new dresses, special dishes and sweets are prepared at home. Then you visit temple or places of worship. You go to your native place. You meet your grandparents and enjoy, isn't it? So festival means it is celebration. It is time for celebration. Festival is a time for celebration. 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 Festivals bring us joy and happiness. Joy and happiness. On festival day, nobody will scold you, isn't it, children? Yes, festivals means joy and happiness. It is a time for celebration, and on festivals, everybody will be happy, wearing new dresses, eating special dishes, meeting your grandparents, friends, and relatives. Isn't it, children? Today we shall learn about some festivals. Festivals are of two types. Festivals are of two types. Festivals. Festivals. Festivals are of two types. One is national festival. National festivals. National festivals are the festivals that are celebrated by all the citizens of a country. Throughout the country, everybody celebrates these festivals. But there are some festivals that are celebrated by only certain people, certain community or certain religion will celebrate them. They are called as religious festivals. Religious festivals. Only certain religion will celebrate them. Which are the national festivals, children? Yes. The festivals that are celebrated by all the people of the country. Celebrated by all the people of the country. All the citizens or all the people of the country. Which are those? Independence Day, Republic Day, festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated throughout the country. And festivals that are celebrated only in certain community or religion. in certain religion or certain community that are special only for those community. They are Hindus celebrate Diwali, Dussehra, Ugadi. Which are the religions you have learned, children? Hindu, Muslim, Islam, Muslim are Islam, then Christian. Certain festivals are special to these. Hindus celebrate Ugadi, Dussehra, Diwali and Holi. Diwali, Holi, many festivals are celebrated by Hindus, and Muslims are Islam religion people. They celebrate Eid, Muharram, Ramzan, Bakrid, etc. These are celebrated by only of Islam religion. And people of Christianity, they celebrate Christmas, then Good Friday, Ash Wednesday, like this. But people throughout the country, they celebrate the national days, whether they may be Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whoever they may be, but they are all Indians, and all Indians celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Then these are national festivals are celebrated in, they are celebrated in schools, colleges, government offices, etc. But the religious festivals are celebrated in homes. They are celebrated in their homes. Now we shall take up the national festivals one by one and see them in detail. National festivals. Which are the national festivals, children? Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. First we shall take up Independence Day. What is the spelling of independence? I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th every year. August 15th of every year. Why do we celebrate this on August 15th itself? Because India got freedom on August 15th in the year 1947. Before that, British were ruling our country, and on this day, India became free from the British ruling. Became free from the rule of British. India became free from the rule of British on this day, and in remembrance of this one, we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. Prime Minister of our country, the Prime Minister of our country, hoists flag in Red Fort on this day and give speech to the whole country. Next is Republic Day. Republic Day. It is celebrated on January 26th. January 26th of every year. It is the day when our Constitution was framed. It is the day our Constitution was framed, and in remembrance of this one, we are celebrating Republic Day on January 26th. On this day, a grand parade takes place in Delhi. A grand parade will be there in Delhi. Not only Delhi, in all the state capitals, there will be a grand parade. But the parade in Delhi is very special. People from different countries visit India to see this celebration, to see this grand parade. Indian Air Force gives Air Force show. Famous Air Force show will be arranged on this day, and there will be many tableaus. Tableaus means Stabda Chitra from all the states. All the states they will exhibit the tableaus. There will be a competition on the tableaus on very important themes. There will be an important theme, and on this theme they make the tableaus, and it will be very spectacular. And the Air Force show is called as Flying Past. It is called as Flying Past. Tableaus means scenes. Scenes put of different states. Another and more festival, national festival is Gandhi Jayanti, which was celebrated recently. Gandhi Jayanti. G-A-N-D-H-I, Gandhi Jayanti, J-A-Y-A-N-T-I, Gandhi Jayanti. When was it celebrated, children? Yes, 2nd of this month itself. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October 2nd. It is the birthday of our national father, father of our nation. It is the birthday of our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was born on October 2nd. Under his leadership, our country got the independence too. So, to remember this one, we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's Jayanti as Gandhi Jayanti, remembering and also taking oath that we follow the principles of Gandhiji. What are the main principles of Gandhiji, children? Truth and non-violence. Truth and non-violence. Through this weapon only, through the weapon of non-violence only, he brought independence to our country. Truth and non-violence are the main teachings of Gandhiji. On this day, we must take oath that as far as possible, we will tell the truth and we will follow non-violence. So, these are the three major national festivals that are celebrated in our country. There are some more also, but these are the main. Which are these? Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. In the next class we shall learn about religious festivals. Okay children, thank you.